Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Caleb and I'm so glad you're here because this year, 2021, I'm looking forward to sharing more adventures with you guys. Everything from overlanding to localized trails, garage projects, and gear reviews. I try to keep things interesting. My 2014 Jeep Wrangler is my daily driver and my weekend warrior, and it's a work in progress, so I'm looking forward to sharing more build updates with you guys this year. Like some of you, I'm a husband, a father. I've got a full-time career outside of making these videos, so this is a hobby for me, but it's something I'm really passionate about. I love inspiring people just like you to get out and have your own adventures. I started this channel in the summer of 2020 as my quarantine hobby, but because of all the support from people just like you, it's something I want to continue doing. So hit that subscribe button, share this video with a few friends, and let's go have some awesome adventures in 2021. Welcome to 4XTRAIL.